Well, this just came in today. We're gonna unbox it. It's an LG dishwasher. Gonna hook it up and see how it works as well. Oh. First time opening it, haven't seen it yet. Yeah, let's see how it works. The box has damage to it though. That's in the spot Costco. There's any damage. I don't think there'll be an issue with me returning it. There's the dishwasher. A little bit of a dent here. I'm gonna get a little Costco and see what they say about that. Tray. Apparently this moves up and down. Let's turn the silence here so give it a little quick review. Oh, there we go. Moves up, I don't know, about half a foot, give or take. That could come in handy. Tray sits in the back here for your silverware. They're all zip tied down so you can't open it. And this is a QuadWash, I believe they call it. So this here, water comes out of all the ends. And these orange ones, or yellow ones, they tilt side to side. So as it's going, the main purpose of this is to make sure everything gets rinsed. And right here you got your soap dispenser. And that's for your dry. And that's pretty cool, a nice machine. Bought from Costco. Apparently this has a built-in heater. So we'll see how that works. And I'll probably do another update whenever I decide to do a load of dishes. So I'll read the manual, find out where all the cords are, plug it in, hook up the water to it. But just want to show what it looks like when it gets unboxed. It's a nice looking unit. 10-year dark drive motor warranty. And this is a smart dishwasher. I don't know exactly what it's going to do. Well, you can download updates to it. You can download your wash cycles to it through your cell phone, and apparently it will also determine how much of a load you're doing. It will download the way you do your washes as well. So we'll check this out after and hook it all up. So I'm gonna have to prop this up, I guess. Just like this. There we go. I'll have to remove these screws down here. Now we got my tools. Give me a star. Easy to square on that too. You don't need an electric screwdriver. I'm just using it because I have it available. Right here is your power, and your black, your neutral. And our water line will hook up right to here. Now we'll just put it on here. Make a little bit of room here. So I can tell. Clean up some of this mess. Slide her in there. And of course I ran my drainage hose through the back of through the side of the cabinets. That way there, that's already done. We just have to make sure as you're pushing it in, it doesn't get kinked. Oh, I also forgot to, oh, you got the wire. My electrical cord, got that out here. my wet line right here. Hoping it's going to reach to where I need it. We'll see. But that's the size of it anyways. And like my videos and subscribe. Thanks for watching.